Alrighty, day 15. Tackle this beast. Alright, it's done time because it's getting dark, but we got a lot done. I'd say it's about half gone right now. I piled it up into the center instead of close to the edge where it was. That's a better way to see how far it got shoved in. And then the wood that's down here, because unlike that wood that we've used for years, that wood is brand new, and I don't want to expose it to elements because it doesn't have any protection like paint or anything like that. So hopefully this will protect it from the coming snowstorm. And then the fencing and the support wood are still out here. They're all good. Clean up the rest of the things out here that don't need to get wet. Those got pretty wrecked, so they're out here because I'm going to be taking them home to work on them and repair them and possibly just redo all of the wax, aka hot glue. Okay, but this is what we got in here right now. Because as I said, it's cold and it's dark and the storms are coming. I think we did quite a bit of work in a little over an hour. Whew. Day 15. Yayos! Good thing we cleaned up when we did. It's not a ton right this second. It was snowing heavily just a little while ago. And it stopped. But it'll probably go again. You know how it is around here. Brr.